thought that might be metal, but it's not. There's some right over here. Oh yeah. All right. I'll come back for those. So I gotta open up the bag. Well, it's Thursday morning. As I said I would go today and add to the load I already have. Then later we'll go to the scrapyard. Sorry, I'm eating some peanuts. Let's see. Yeah, just TV trays, but the Texas toast. You know what? I'll close this up. You still look broke. I think I'm gonna put these up front. You know what? These could be used out on our little porch. Those are in pretty good shape. All right, we'll keep looking. So there were no less than 4 scrappers I saw. And competition thick, so grab one of these. Yeah, this can go in there. It's shred, sort of. Okay. Yeah, there was nothing else, so, and like I said, I had competition big time, so we'll just take this one. I gotta get this out first. There we go. I'll go home and change clothes, and then we'll go to the scrapyard. All right, I'm on my way to the scrapyard that way. I see this sitting here, so I'm gonna snag it, cut the cord on it real quick, and we'll be on our way. So something more to add to. I mean, it's a fan. I know it's plastic, but when you don't find much, this is what you gotta do. So, yeah, you know what? I'm feeling kind of, I don't like that. I mean, there's obviously a motor in there. All right, to heck with it. I'll throw it in for shite. Shit. I didn't say that word. Meant sheet. Yeah, well. If I can throw a lampshade in here, I can throw that in there. All right. Oh, geez. Traffic. More traffic. And less traffic. All right, let's go.
We're closed. We're full of scrap.
Yeah, you're full of scrap.
He told you.
Touche.
Trying to get people April Fools today.
I got you, mate. All right, let's go and load some junk. Oh, talk about dusty. All right. What's not going is, of course, the aluminum and in fact, we need to get that out of. I'm just gonna lay it on the ground. The aluminum, I got some steel in here like this stuff that has barite in it. That's not gonna go out here. So I did bring one of these. Somehow this failed to make it into the video. Probably because I did a dually pickup and only put in the first part, so. Yep, all right. This too, I wanna, well, you know what? I actually want to keep this. So, get a cavity somewhere. Yeah, I saw this. That's probably brass. Yeah, the rest of this is not. So, I'll pocket that. Looking for a nice spot to dump this stuff in. So I don't want to just chuck it all on the ground, but I want to keep this. I'm actually going to use this for my toolbox for the van. Get rid of that clunky, because this is an empty cavity where that thing has got compartments in it and stuff like that I don't want to mess with. Yep, so you're gonna go. I know. But it's weight.
So what's up, old man?
Just
sheep.
yeah.
Oh.
I got one air unit.
One air unit.
That will go over there.
Oh, air conditioner.
Yep. So I know this stuff could have went.
What?
This should have went for Mexico. That's why. There's
I
not
go
enough.
long iron actually. I'm prepared. So it's up to you.
Yeah. I got no time, man.
Okay.
I'm just tired.
It's probably worth another, maybe $1 maybe anyway.
No.
If you're lucky. Sometimes it's just not worth it.
Yep. Thank you. Okay. Got a bunch of little junk on top. That's not what's holding it in. I apologize. Apologize for the noise at the truck. Oh, the trials and tribulations. I didn't cause. All right, this does have bear bright in it. A lot of it. Yeah, come on, you. Ah, man. Okay, you know what? Heck with it. You can go. You want to go so bad? I got plenty of air bright. Oh man. Oh gee. Of course. Don't want this to crunch and come apart until it's out by the pile. What do you hook there? Oh, it's the bear braid. There we go. Just come on out. Put you over there gently. We're not smashing you. Oh, man. That's heavy. Whoops. Hey. Yeah, I still have that in there. Let's see. No, not the plastic. You know what? Let's see. I'm just gonna chuck these out here too because I only got the two. I'll explain why I'm throwing out stuff here that I normally otherwise wouldn't. After I get paid and we get mowing. All right, so here we go. Got it unloaded. Aluminum stays, the rest of this stays. So I talked to the wife about these. She said, yes, bring them up. So, yeah, it's 30 pounds. Bring it up, I will. We'll put them outside or 440. Keep fluctuating between 5,300 and 5,320. We'll see.
No COVID talk this morning, so you don't have to worry.
Yeah, we already took care of that.
Or, here's your ticket. Am I on YouTube now? Right now?
Yes.
Is this where I pay you for the positive videos that you do?
I already gave my credit card.
Yeah, he's doing the thumbs down. I'll take his money. I gotta go and go to bed.
Okay.
All right, thanks, guys. Weigh in. I gotta go get paid, not weigh in. All right. Shenanigan. I'll see you after I get paid. All right, got paid. How much did I make? 53 beans. 20, 40, 53 beans. It's good money. All right, let's get going here. So today was a lousy street run, but a nice payout at the scrapyard. And I picked up a couple of neat TV trays for our little patio, which that patio eventually is going to feature once in a while on my channel. Do some micro scrapping out there, micro scrap videos. All right, nice toolbox. I'm going to switch my tools out and into here. So, for the near future, right now, I'm on day 3 of a 9-day work schedule. So I am not off again until a week from today. Which means, and with the competition that I saw this morning, it's hot and heavy. Other than the Monday route, I can't get to the other scrap areas quick enough to get decent loads. So, what's gonna happen? For the short term, working on the storage unit in the garage. So I'll start with the garage. It's a shred load. I got at least one decent shred load in there. I'll get it out. And then after that, it's non-ferrous, non-ferrous, non-ferrous. All right? So that's the plan. All right, guys, thank you so much. Quiet down, aluminum. Make me pull over. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. My love to to everybody. We all need love. Love, 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 love. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.